Looking to create the perfect resume? Let me show you how easy it is with Helpwritingresume. First, head over to helpwritingresume.com and log in or create an account. Once you're in, fill in all your necessary details, then hit Create Resume. Now, go to your preferred job site, find the role you want, and copy the job description. Back on Helpwritingresume, simply fill in the job title and paste the job description where prompted. Then, click Generate My Resume, and just like that, you've got a customized resume tailored to that specific job. But that's not all. Helpwritingresume also generates a tailored cover letter to complement your resume, possible interview questions and answers to prepare you for TH Big Day. In order to verify how our tool works, we are going to use JobScan to ascertain our claim that your resume will go past the ATS. Paste the job description and import your newly downloaded resume. With a quick scan, you'll see how well your resume matches the job description. Wow, look at that positive feedback. And that's it. You're all set to apply with confidence. Good luck.